students, today's topic will be self-image from the third chapter of moral science. Chiranjeevi and Chiku were siblings, and Chiranjeevi, lovingly known as Chiru, was the elder. Since they were like good friends also, they used to have some small fights too. And Chiru used to call Chiku as bitter Chiku, raw Chiku, rotten Chiku, and so on. This used to irritate Chiku a lot, and sometimes he used to cry. His mother once took him on her lap and made him understand that he would always be her sweet Chiku. This boosted up the morale of Chiku, and he no longer used to become irritated when Chiru used to tease him and call him names. When Chiru saw that there is a positive change in Chiku, he also stopped teasing Chiku. Now, how can we develop a positive self-image when somebody teases us? Well, we can have a positive self-image when somebody teases us by speaking politely in return to that person and by respecting him. That's all. Once Mother Teresa went to a shopkeeper asking for some alms. This shopkeeper, full of scorn, means disrespect, spat on her extended palm. She said thank you and removed her palm and extended another palm and said, "Please give something for my children also." Why did Mother Teresa behave in such a loving, polite manner with this man who insulted her? It's because she knew that her life was not for herself but for the service of poor, sick and needy. When Mahatma Gandhi was traveling in train with a white man, this white man took off his shoe and hit Mahatma Gandhi on his cheek. Mahatma Gandhi said, "Is there something wrong with your shoes, sir? Is it all right?" What do we learn from this incident of Mahatma Gandhi's life? We learn that Mahatma Gandhi knew his worth and greatness. He did not feel offended by the behavior of such people. Well, what is self-image? Self-image is a person's understanding about self. But it should not be considered equivalent to pride, because pride is altogether a different thing. It's not a good virtue. Self-image and a self-positive image should be considered as being thankful to our Creator, the Almighty. We should always have a positive self-image, knowing our worth, being humble and being polite. Only people with low or poor self-image feel hurt, angry, irritated and offended when others insult them. Once, Saint Chavra was accused by a man falsely. When the matter went to court, the judge recognized the innocence of Saint Chavra, but Saint Chavra did not have any grudge for this man, forgave him, and very lovingly took care of him and his family, and requested the CMC congregation to continue to look after this man and his family even after his death. Remember, what we think about ourselves make us great or small, not what others say about us. Thank you.